In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up Metapixel in Framer. The Metapixel helps you understand how people interact with your site so you can measure conversions and improve your ads. Before we start, have your pixel-based code ready from Meta's Events Manager. First, open Framer and load the page or project you want to track. Make sure you're in the correct project so the changes apply where you expect. Next, open the menu at the top left of the editor. You can click the canvas label or the small drop-down there to access your project options. From this menu, head into Settings. This is where Framer keeps all the configuration for things like domains, publishing, and custom code. Inside Settings, go to the Code section. This is the dedicated area for adding scripts that run on your site. Click Add Script to create a new entry. Give your script a clear name so you can recognize it later. Something like Metapixel is perfect. Clear names make troubleshooting easier when you come back to this list. Choose the placement. For tracking scripts like the Pixel, the head placement is a reliable choice because it loads early and consistently across pages. Then choose where it should apply under page. If you want site-wide analytics, select all pages. If you're only testing on a specific page, you can target just that page. Set the run behavior. To capture analytics across single-page app navigation in Framer, choose an option that runs on every page view, not just once. This ensures route changes are also tracked. Now paste your Metapixel base code into the code field. Double check that the pixel ID in the snippet is correct and that you don't have multiple pixel base codes already installed. Avoid adding any sensitive information. The standard snippet is all you need. The default page view event will fire automatically. You can add additional events later if needed. Finally, click Add to save your script. When you preview or publish, use Meta's Pixel Helper in your browser to confirm the pixel loads and page view events are received. If it doesn't show, clear cache and verify your placement, page scope, and run settings.